Hi everyone, I am Dr. G. Venkatachalam, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology. The topic is machining process subject and the topic is broaching machine. First of all, we are going to types of broaching machines. So according to the direction of cutter, that is horizontal cutter and vertical cutter. Then according to the method of cutting, pull cutting, bush type, continuous type. According to the types of drive, mechanical drive, hydraulic drive. According to the number of pull heads, single head, multiple pull head. According to the type of operation, external type, internal type. These are all the types of broaching machine. The first type is horizontal broaching machine. In this horizontal broaching machine, the construction is mostly all are pull type. The both internal and external broaching can be done. Consist of box type bed having a length is twice the length of stroke. All modern machines are provided with a hydraulic drive housed in the bed. Job located in the adapter which is fitted on front vertical face. Small end is connected to hole of the job, then connected to pulling end which is mounted on front end of the ram. The ram is connected to the hydraulic drive. So rear end is supported by guide. And the cutting speed is 4 to 15 meter per minute. The return speed is 35 meter per minute. Automatic stops are provided to control the stroke of ram. So used for small works like keyways, splines, gun barrel, refilling, cutting internal and external gears with a helix angle less than 15 degree. So this is the working. The horizontal broaching machine as shown in the figure. It consists of a bed or base a little more than twice the length of the broaching stroke. A broaching pallet and the drive mechanism for pulling the broach. The horizontal broaching machines are used primarily for broaching keyway, splines, slot, round holes and other internal shapes of contours. They have the disadvantage of taking more floor space than do the vertical machines. However, long broaches and heavy workpiece are easily handled. In this drawing, this is the horizontal broaching machine. This is a column, then this one is a bed, this is a table, this is a broaching tool. The broaching tool is connected to the pulling head and the tool support head. So one end is connected to the tool supporting head, the other end is this side. So the ram is moving to and fro motion and the backward stroke, the workpiece is finished simultaneously. The starting point is diameter is less than and end of the broach tool is the diameter is large. So it's gradually tapered teeth are constructed in this broaching tool. Okay, the ram is moving back and front movements. So at the back stroke, the metal removed finished quickly and only one stroke the workpiece is completed the job. Okay, so this is called the horizontal broaching machine. The next one is a vertical broaching machine. The push down type vertical machine and the pull down type vertical machine. So this one is the column portion, base, this is a table, this is a work table. The workpiece is fitted to the top of the table. The broach is moved to the up and down movement for the broaching tool. Okay, at the time of movement, the stroke come to the down stroke or upward stroke. The workpiece is finished simultaneously in the side. The another pull down method, This is a fitted into the pull broaching machine. The downward direction to move the pull broaching or the downward direction movement. The workpiece is fitted to the top of the table. Then the broach tool is moved to downward direction. At the time of downward direction, the metal is removed. The one stroke, the metal is completely removed the required shape. Okay. The next, there are three types of vertical broach. The pull down type, pull down type, push down type, pull down type, and pull up type. The main application of the vertical broaching machine is cutting rod and broaching of holes and splines in gears, and broaching of hole and splines in gears and bushes. And another one is the horizontal continuous broaching machine. This type of machine, the conveyor belt is moved to circular shape, continuously rolled in to roller. The one is a driving sprockets and another one is the driving roller, and this is the driven roller. The job is fixed on top of the workpiece, the top of the side. The tool is fixed on the top of the side, and the workpiece is fixed to the this way of belt conveyor, and then the work is moved to the simultaneously of the continuously move in the horizontal method. Okay, this is fixed cams, and the workpiece is fitted to the these cams, and the part is unwanted part will be rejected. Then the main advantage of this machine is the small workpiece and mass production will be produced in this type. And this one is the rotary table continuous broaching machine. In this rotary table continuous broaching machine, the workpiece is fitted to the rotary table and the tool is fitted in the center of the spindle. Okay, the stationary broach, the broach will be stationary and the rotating table will be rotary motion. So at the time of fixing the workpiece, once you rotate this table, the work is one complete revolution, work will be finished. Then the classification of broaching tools. According to the method of operation, bush broaching, bull broaching. According to the kind of operation, internal broaching, external broaching. According to their construction, solid broach, built up of a replaceable section, and inserted tooth broach, and overlapping tooth broach, progressive cut broach. According to the function, mainly keyway, surface, round holes, splines, spiral, burnishing broaches, etc. The main operation of this broaching is surface broaching, hole broaching, keyway broaching, and spline broaching. These are all the broaching operations. And now the specification of broaching machine is, the size of the broaching machine is given by length of the stroke of ram in millimeters and pressure applied on broach in kilometers or tons. Other specification of machines are power of the motor and its speed, length of slide stroke, rated pulling forces, cutting stroke speed, number of speeds, return stroke speeds, maximum size of cut, weight of machine, size and floor area. These are all the specification of the broaching machine. Then main advantage of the broaching machine is the roughing and finishing operations in machining a job are often completed in a single stroke of broach given high rate of production. So any form that can be achieved on a broaching tool can be reproduced effectively on the workpiece. The external and internal finishing can be done maintaining tolerance of 0.0075 mm needed for interchangeable production. The manufacturing sequence of obtaining varieties of shapes on a workpiece is often simplified by using multiple type of broaches to work one after other in the same stroke of machine. Then simple and automated. This is a simple and automated. So thank you for watching.